What's up, guys? I am Jazzy Denise. This is JazzyDeniseTV, and welcome back to another Vlogmas episode. In today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I got my lashes. I just wanted to record a quick little intro for you guys so you guys could see the end result. We are gonna do my left eye together on camera, and y'all, I was struggling a little bit. Throughout this video, so I recorded my right eye off of camera, but it does not negate for the fact that we got it done. Okay, we got it done, and she looks good. So if you want to see how I do my individual lashes, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, I already put a little bit of makeup on my face because I wanted to just have a blank canvas. The only place I didn't put makeup on was my eyes because I'm about to be working on my eyes. But let's just jump right into this lash tutorial. Usually when I'm doing my lashes, I've used these Ardell lashes right here. But as you can see, I've been using them and I don't have any more of the long lashes, and I want some long lashes. So I'm going to use what I started off with, which is the FALSCARA lashes, because I have like 2 full packs of these. And I'm gonna use these. They do the exact same thing that these Ardell lashes do. It's just the Ardell lashes, I like these more because they have a clear base. If you can see, the base is clear compared to the black base of these, which I found at times was kind of like sticking me. I felt like it was sticking me like in my eye sockets a little bit, but maybe it was just the placement. So I'm just gonna go back to my old staple and use the FALSCARA lashes by Kiss. And I'm also gonna intertwine some of these Ardell DIY lash extensions right here. So this comes with its own glue and its own remover. Initially, the FALSCARA kits, and I apologize because it looks crazy, but initially the FALSCARA kit comes with like a set of lashes. You get the seal and bond in a wand, and then you get this remover and also another sealant that comes with this, the overnighter. This is supposed to make it last even longer, but I don't know. I find that the overnighter just makes my lash line thick, and I don't like that. It makes stuff like hair and fur, like, you know, I got a little dog and my dog fur be all in my lashes. We don't like that, so I'm not gonna use the overnighter today, but I am going to use these FALSCARA lashes here, and I have an open pack of the Ardell DIY lashes that we're gonna kind of like put in between these lashes. So let's get into it. Happy Vlogmas. I have this lash spoolie that I use, right? So it's a spoolie on one side, it's a brush on the other side. I like to use this initially. I have a mirror right here off to the side, so I'll be looking to the side a little bit, but you know, I tried to make sure the angle was getting me right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and fan out my lashes just to make sure they're all separated, because as you can see, I barely have any. This side is really good for, like the comb side is really good for if you got like build up in your lashes, or you're trying to comb out some glue, or just make sure your lashes are really separate. You can get up in there really good in your lashes and just comb through them, you know? So first things first, let's go ahead and open up a box of the FALSCARA lashes. So it comes in small, 2 rows of medium, and a row of large. We're probably gonna use 4 larges, 2 larges per eye, 1 or 2 mediums per eye, and probably 1 or 2 smalls. Like, I don't really use the smalls, especially since I've been incorporating the wispies, the individuals. So after we get that open, we're gonna take our wand, which this came with a Kiss FALSCARA kit, and I love it because it's easy to put the lashes on, but it's also easy to be able to clamp the lashes together to make sure they're sticking. We're gonna go ahead and go in with the bond side of the stick and put that all over our lashes. One thing about this bond, it dries fast. So don't spend too much time trying to get it all over the lashes, because trust me, once you swipe, it's on there, and you don't want to get it on your eyelid, your actual eyelid skin. I'm not even finna talk through this part for real. I'm just gonna show y'all the stuff because it's kind of, I'm still learning the process myself. I like to go in with the lashes. The lashes stick to the bottom of your lashes because the bond is an adhesive. But I also pour a little of this out on like a piece of plastic like this, and I dip the lash in this before. The base, like the little base part of the lash, I dip that in the glue before I stick it on my lash as well. So you'll see all of that, but I'm not gonna talk because I don't want the bond on my lash to dry out.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good.
Y'all, this is more difficult than it be seeming. Like, I be thinking I got it under control, then I don't.
Like the motherfucking man lately, can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
As hard as that was to do on camera, I hope I was in frame for some of it, if not all of it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and then I will be back with the finished look in a second. Okay, and this is the finished look, you guys. Do you see a difference? I think they came out really cute. They look nice and natural, you know, a little wispy. I did actually add a few extra individuals to kind of build up the wispy factor a little bit, just to give it a little bit more oomph. But we definitely needed to do our lashes because unfortunately the lash tech that you guys will see throughout this Vlogmas, if you haven't already, she has moved, okay? She now lives in North Carolina and I need a new lash tech. But until we get a new lash tech, we will do our own lashes because sis, beauty waits for no one. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want a deeper tutorial, please comment down below, let me know. I definitely will do a more in-depth tutorial for you guys if that's something you want to see. But for now, until the next video, don't forget to be you, be beautiful. I do hope that you have a great rest of your day, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next Vlogmas episode. Bye!
Love you, I will love you.